Do right now. My other bird accidentally got loose from my shoulder earlier today. The cockatiel was coming out the door. Forgot it was on my shoulder. Flew around in the sky in circles real high for about 5 minutes max. This one's never really got used to us. It's a shame how birds are always locked up. You know, these exotic, even this is an exotic bird basically, because guess what, you ain't gonna see it around here. So I know this is, I don't know if it's the best good decision or not, but I'm gonna let it go. Give the option to go. And it is gone. I think I saw a wave in the sky. There it is. Look at it, it loves it. Sun's in my eyes. Scared of hawks grabbing it, you know, it's white, sticks out like a sore thumb. The other one was gray. But guess what? One day of free life is probably better than 20 years, however long these birds survive or last. I heard they last. Be better than a lifetime of captivity. I would think. I would want it. I'd want that option as a person. Yeah, he's gone. The cockatiel was flying around in circles real high for a while. I thought he might come back down. Like, yeah, now I got a trained bird, but didn't work out like that. So he's free, just flying wherever he wants. It's a nice day out. It's about 70 something, so I don't know.